Hey there, I'm Rose. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is our second out of 3 Halloween episodes. Today I'm making a spooky treat that you can make too. If you missed last week's episode, I said my top 10 movies that I think are the best scary and spooky movies to watch on Halloween. And today, what we're doing is making some peanut butter candy corn blondies. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but I already got flour on my clothes while measuring it out into the bowl. And I've already eaten a ton of chocolate chips, so I feel like that says a lot about me and this channel. Okay, so I'll show you all the ingredients you need. Right here we've got some peanut butter, of course, butter, eggs, some salt, baking powder and baking soda, brown sugar, white chocolate chips and peanut butter chips, peanuts, candy corn, vanilla extract, and lots of flour. There's also some on my pants, which is very fun. Okay, let's do our first step. You have to heat a saucepan on the stove and put some butter and brown sugar in it and mix them. Let's hope I can do that without burning down the house. Already looks so appetizing, doesn't it? Wow, I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna eat it right now. It's getting nice and melted and cooked. The chunks of butter that are still not melted look like mozzarella cheese. It's all mixed now, so it's been put onto a burner that is not on, and we're gonna add the peanut butter. Needless to say, this is a perfect recipe for people that are allergic to nuts. Oh geez. I'm bad at peanut butter. The scariest part of Halloween is how awful I am at putting peanut butter into things. That will keep you up at night more than anything. Okay, let's try to get that in there. Yikes, get rid of that peanut butter spoon. It smells even better now. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this through the video. It smells like homemade peanut butter cookies. And here's my flour ball, and I'm gonna add the baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Whisk that up really good. Try not to get it all over the counter, which I have done. I'm bad at peanut butter, and I'm also bad at whisking. Okay, let's put some eggies. Yum, raw egg. By the way, a few days ago, this reminds me, my dog saw an egg on the counter and she took it and ate the whole thing raw, including the shell. How she has not died of salmonella, I do not know, but she really enjoyed it. Okay. Let's kill those eggs. Bye-bye, yolk. You are dead. All right. My mother has instructed me to switch to a spoon. This is much better. It's not clumping up anymore like it was like in between the bars of the whisk. And let's add some vanilla extract. I'm always scared of vanilla extract because I always think it's gonna come out way quicker than it actually does. Oh wow, looks like that's the whole bottle. Now we're gonna pour our creepy little liquid over here into our dry ingredients. Wow, brown sludge, everyone's favorite treat on Halloween. This is gonna make it a nice batter consistency that we all love, and you have to try very hard not to eat before it's cooked. We're gonna add the chippies. This is what I was eating earlier. They're so delicious, but I will refrain from eating more because they need to go in. Very sad, I know. The mixture is like a lot drier than I feel like it should be, but I'm going to trust the recipe And just a reminder, it is linked down below, so you can try this yourself. If it works out good, you can have it and enjoy it. If it doesn't work out good, you can see if you can do it better. And we gotta put the peanuts too, nice and crunchy. I'm gonna put this onto a parchment lined baking sheet. See, look, it's like crummy, but that's okay. Hi, Bagel, what the heck? Yeah, let's just do this. Boom. What the heck? Okay, let's try to spread this out and see what happens. Oh, this is stuck to the bottom. Here we go. We got all of it now. We have acquired the batter. Let's smush it. Here is our batter ready to go in the oven. That looks like it'll turn into blondies, right? I think so. Let's put it in 25 minutes, then we take it out to place the candy on top. I decided that I'm going to do like a part with candy corn, a part with M&Ms, and a part with both. Because I feel like that's better for like, because like people have different tastes. So the whole thing just candy corn, I feel like is not as good. Even though that's what the recipe says. So we got M&Ms in here too. And we're gonna add those after 25 minutes. This already looks pretty done, but it only needs to go in for a few minutes after you add the candy. So you can see a time lapse of me doing that. It's later, we had dinner, and I'm gonna try this treat, see what it's like. Oh wow, that's really good. Wait, let me get a bite with candy corn. Highly recommend! So yeah, these are really amazing. You should make them. Comment down below if you do. Tell me what you think, because I love them. What the heck, Zoe? So that is where I'll be wrapping things up today. Remember to come back next Friday for another new video for me. And remember that God loves you very much, and I do too. Bye!